All right, so this video will be a mixture of some new news as well as some reminders, make sure everybody's on the same page. So let's start with test one here, all right? So because the Emporium was closed on Thursday, today, you can now take one as late as Wednesday. You can now take test one as late as Wednesday, the 19th. It's possible that will be extended one more day, but that has not been decided yet. You can plan on Wednesday, though. All right, now a few reminders. If you're going to take test one, you need a reservation to take test one, and it must be taken in the Emporium. All right, how do you make a reservation? There's a test reservation link at the bottom of the Emporium widget. Okay, so the little widget y'all been using to keep track of your Emporium hours, if you open that up and you look on the bottom of that, there is a link to make a reservation. There is also one at the top of the announcements page in Blackboard. I just put that there the other day. So what happens if you need to change your reservation? Well, if you need to change your reservation, all right, like maybe you made a reservation for Thursday or Friday and it's closed both days, or for some other reason, then what you need to do is you need to find the confirmation email you received when you made your first reservation. All right, there is a link in that email that you can use. If you use that one and make a new appointment, it'll automatically replace the old appointment. If you have not made a reservation to take test one, make it as soon as possible. All right, look, if you wait too long, you're running the risk of getting locked out. Okay, don't do that. If you get locked out, I really don't think you're going to be able. If you wait to the point where all the appointment times are made, you've received enough warnings, I really don't think they're going to let you take it. Okay. All right. A few more things about test one. Before you can take test one, you must complete the review for test one. Right. That's an assignment in MyLabs Plus. If you go look, with a score of at least 70%. Now, really, I strongly recommend you get much better than that. You're going to tend to get lower on the test than you do on the review. I would recommend that you get that up over 90%, up over 95%. If it were me, I would shoot for 100. And if you really get stuck and you run out of time, then that's fine. Leave it a little short. Now, there's another assignment called Practice Test 1. You'll see it says optional. That's also in MyLabs Plus. I would recommend that you work the review, right? Practice with the ones you're struggling with. When you think you're ready, try Practice Test 1. If that goes real well, great, maybe you're ready. If it doesn't show that you're ready, right, then you got some more studying to do. Do both, though. All right, here's the other big item. I received several emails about this. Emporium hours ending the 13th, that's Thursday. Today, really, I'm making this video. You can make up your Emporium hours if you're a little bit short, okay? Now, here's the way this is going to work. There are no Emporium hours this coming week, right? Because it's a testing week. So here's what you do. If you make up the hours you missed this week and then send me an email telling me you've made them up. I'm not automatically going to look. You make them up. After that, you send me an email telling me you've made them up. I'll double check your hours on the Emporium system and then give you credit for them on last week's list. Okay? Now, what you can do, look, you can use your makeup hours this week to catch up on your homework if you're behind, or to work on the review and practice for test one, right, if you're not behind, or even to get ahead on next week's assignments, right? So you've got plenty of things you can do, even if you missed your hours. Okay? So that's it for this video. I hope everybody does real well on test one. I will see you in class on Thursday.